All right, let's talk about Search Atlas, which helps run your SEO, your AEO, Google Ads, Meta Ads, content, and site health. I want to talk about some of the user-reported pros, some of the cons, and talk about is there any good alternatives to Search Atlas? So you know, is this the right app for you, or are there better resources out there to use? So let's dive right in and talk about some of the pros and cons of this platform. And these are pros and cons reported by real users of the platform. So these should be more accurate than obviously what they're reporting about themselves. So the pros. It's an all-in-one platform, so it replaces dozens of tools. It can do SEO, content, ads, local reporting, all-in-one login. It claims to consolidate $8,000 of tooling into $99. If that's the case, you're buying expensive tools, but nonetheless. It bulk fixes the technical SEO at scale, so it fixes titles, alt text, broken links, schema across thousands of pages in minutes. It is strong for agencies and local SEO, so white label dashboards, GBP, Galactic, GeoGrids, multi-client management. It's built to scale, so it's really good for agencies with multiple clients. Good value on entry price, so $99 with a 7-day free trial. Solid GSC analytics and reporting, so it turns raw Search Console data into clear visuals, trends, and fix suggestions. It's responsive support and education, so weekly live sessions, tutorials, praise support team, so that's good. Kept tariff score of 4.7. LLM and AI search visibility tracking, so it tracks where you show up in AI answers, ChatGPT, Perplexity, flags lost citations. So all those pros are pretty good. Now let's dive into the cons that people are reporting. Overwhelming and bloated. So it's a huge feature set, so it feels all over the place. Steep learning curve, easy to feel lost at first. So if you want something that's out of the box and quick, this may not be for you. It's built for agencies, not everyone. For solo seller, small shop, or SaaS, much of it is overkill. So this is, again, built for kind of bigger agencies with multiple clients. Not truly autonomous. So it surfaces fixes, but nearly every suggestion needs manual review. So bulk approving has caused ranking drops. So you need to make sure you're reviewing it manually before approving it. Reliability and glitches. So recurring bugs reported, broken site maps, site speed hits, 410 gone errors, risky for live client work. Billing cancellation complaints, multiple reviews, site hard to cancel, flows, and surprise charges. JavaScript injection fixes, so it applies changes via JavaScript. Some may not be seen by crawlers, AI bots, and can vanish if you cancel. No built-in content distribution, so it doesn't auto-publish, repurpose to Reddit, YouTube, Pinterest. Off-site distribution is still on you. So those are the pros and cons to really determine, is this a good platform for you? But are there any good alternatives? So one good alternative that I've talked about before is Arvow. So this is an SEO and content machine. And this is really good. Their strong suit is auto-publishing high-quality, non-commodity SEO blogs. So you can go in here, write SEO blogs for content to increase rank and traffic very, very easily. You can do an SEO article, give it a title, and then you can create these amazing bottom of the funnel blogs. The nice thing about this is you can create them according to your brand. So you can interject your language, you can add your own knowledge base, case studies, website, training materials, whatever you want to train the AI on. So it's going to naturally involve your brand assets and information. You can format it special ways. You can structure it with a call to action. You can internally link your sitemap. So it's going to link all your pages together. So this helps build authority. You get that link juice across pages. It can link it to your service pages, your money pages. You can add your own images, or it'll create them for you. You can add your own videos. It'll embed your YouTube channel, or you can have it do a relevant YouTube channel. So this makes the articles more engaging and just more robust. You can go in here and see kind of the inner workings. This is kind of forward facing. This is an article on lawn service for this particular niche, but you can see all the back end bells and whistles, meta description, H2s, H3s, alt text. internal links down here, external links that are included, so embedded YouTube videos. So all this from an SEO standpoint is very, very robust, not to mention this is including your own brand assets in here. You can use the AI to rewrite any parts of this, or you can use the AI assistant to rewrite any parts of this. The other cool thing is you can set this up as an auto blog. So you can do a new campaign, you can do a full auto blog, so autonomous SEO auto blog. So basically you would just give it a feed. You can set this up after you go to the next step, but you would basically give it a feed here, and then it will generate and then publish to your integrated website. The feed can be like a keyword feed, an RSS feed, a news feed, or a YouTube feed. Very, very cool stuff. And you can manually create these news articles if you want, off trending news stories related to your niche. You can create YouTube to blog posts off yours or someone else's. It'll embed it in there, give them credit. So those are different ways to kind of maximize your SEO potential and reach. Other things that this does, which is really cool, is it'll analyze your entire site from a technical SEO standpoint. It'll do look at meta titles, meta descriptions, image alt text, internal links. It'll look at what you have currently, and then it'll have the suggested change. It'll also tell you why to make that change, and then you can apply the change. Or you can bulk apply the change by clicking here, and it'll apply all the changes at once. This will save you tons and tons of time and make sure your website is performing at a technical SEO level. It has a backlink exchange, so that there's thousands of users of Arvow. All the users get entered in a backlink pool. When someone creates a piece of content, it looks at this backlink pool. Is there any relevant high quality backlinks it can include in the content? And then if so, it'll include it naturally as an external backlink for you and whoever else is using the platform, which there's thousands of users. Most users are getting thousands of, not thousands, 1 to 5 backlinks per day on autopilot, which is really awesome. The other thing, it has an LLM brand monitor, so you can add your website in here. It'll track how you're performing across LLMs. It'll automatically give you prompts here that it tracks, but you can also add your own prompts, and then it tracks the visibility and the sentiment. So you can see positive, negative, how visible are you? And then you can open this up, see the visibility, how is it ranking, or how is your visibility across all the different AIs. And then what I do is, if the visibility is low like this, I'll then take this and create an article on this topic to increase visibility. So very easy to do, very easy to track. And finally, it has analytics, so you can analyze any website, see your traffic, how much traffic you're getting or competitors are getting, has your domain rating, backlinks, and then you can see the top ranking pages as well to see what pages are getting traffic, what pages are not getting traffic. So this is super helpful if you want to look at your own website or your competition's website. But that in a nutshell is Arvow. This is a great alternative to Search Atlas if you're looking for something that's a little bit easier to use out of the box and has a lot of the same and additional features for your SEO and for your content strategy. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Check out this other video on SEO and tools to help you. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you.